What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I am taking you to New York, but not New York City. I'm taking you to the New York in Las Vegas. This casino is in a great location if you're looking to have that Las Vegas experience. There's a castle next door, Excalibur. Right down the road is Luxor, Mandalay Bay. Across the road is MGM Grand, and you've got Park MGM, the stadium's right there. This location is a great location if it's your first time visiting fabulous Las Vegas. It's located on the MGM side of the Las Vegas Strip. So a lot of these casinos that are over on this side are all MGM Rewards Players cards. So you'll be able to rack up those points really quick because every casino that you're going to go into on this side of the strip is going to get you points towards those free stays. And if you're lucky, you may even have a view of the roller coaster out your window. This roller coaster is on top of the casino. And as I said, on the other side is the stadium. So watch parties are awesome there. They're right outside. They're really fun. You're also really close to the airport. It's about a 10-minute drive to get to the airport. So this is a great location to stay because as soon as you get off the plane, you're almost immediately at your hotel. It is too far to walk though, just to warn you. I know people have tried. It's just really hot in that heat. I'll talk more about the amenities in another video, but for now, check out the inside. This is where you're going to check in, so you can start your day off with a Starbucks there. And if there's a long line, you don't need to stand in line here. They have a mobile check-in area that's really conveniently located right here on the side. So skip the line, just do it all online anymore. All their rooms here are newly renovated, so any room that you get is probably going to be a really nice room. When you do the online check-in, it'll give you a QR code, and that's how you're going to activate your room keys. And it'll also give you directions on how to get over to your room. They do have a few different elevators here, but for the most part, it's pretty easy to navigate around the New York. They have some really good restaurants here. They've got plenty of fast food options. They've got the Hershey store. They've got this awesome roller coaster on top. And they've also got a little arcade in there. So there's plenty of stuff to do in this casino. Honestly, we spent most of our time hanging out in the casino. I was there with my parents this trip, and my dad was just having a hard time with the heat and stuff. So we mostly stayed around here. And as you'll see in the next video, the food court has so many options. It's basically like little mini restaurants, so that's really fun. And as you'll see, the rooms are really spacious, so if you're going with a group or with your parents or with family, whatever, this is going to be a really good spot for you to go just because the rooms are so spacious. And as I said, they're newly renovated too. One thing I really like is that they have all these fun things like all over the casino, so you can take pictures, and they have like these cool walls. They keep their New York theme going strong with a lot of different graffiti art, and it just all feels like tiled, like you're in the subway. They've also got some maps around, and if you've been to New York, you know that they have like the ABC or 1, 2, 3, like the different subway colors and the subway lines. So they've also integrated that into a lot of the art here. Like here it says Hello Vegas. It's really cool. They did a really good job. It's really creative. So moving on to the room, as soon as you open the door, you're greeted with that same kind of funky art. They have kind of like a newspaper, kind of cartoony comic book kind of thing here. All the furniture and everything is new. The floor is new. It's like a wood tile. And then here you have the safe. They have a refrigerator in here. There's plenty of space for you to hang your clothes, and there's plenty of drawers and things like that. This area is kind of like your bar. It's got that like marble top on it, and there's your ice bucket, hair dryer. It's got the, new age open-aired closet look to it. They've got your classic ironing board and iron, and they've got hangers that are removable. And moving back over to the bathroom, there's these two double doors that open up into the bathroom. It's really spacious. Then you have another door over here for the toilet area. Then there's scattered artwork. They've got plenty of towels. They give you body wash, hair conditioner, shampoo, that sort of thing. They've got a shower curtain in this casino, and also you have a bathtub. Those are hard to find anymore. I also liked how they had a lot of hooks everywhere for you to hang towels or jackets or whatever. And now coming into the room, check out how spacious this is, guys. Each bed has 3 pillows. And the sheets were really warm. They were kind of that like hotel thin sheets where it's kind of keeps you cool, but it also keeps you warm at the same time, if that makes sense. There's a little side table with chair and light over there. And then here's what it looks like in the daytime. Obviously, we had already slept in the bed, but check out this view, guys. It is a whole corner view. So all the walls are windows. It's so cool. This view was a lot better than the view I had last time. I'll leave a link here if you want to check out that video. The room was very similar though, but check out this view, guys. It's crazy. Also, randomly, helicopters would come right by our window on the way to the airport. So we were able to watch the planes leave. And again, this helicopter, I wish I would have caught it on tape, but it kept coming right next to the window. And here's an idea what it looks like at night. Sorry, I can't really capture it on film that well, but the lights are so pretty, guys. And it's crazy because the desert gets so dark at night. So the fact that the lights are all bright and shiny, it's really got like a contrast that makes the lights really stand out. It looks really cool. And just to walk you through some of the basics that they offer here, as I said, all of the hallways are super decorated. So walking to your room will be very entertaining for you. They've got a lot of different photo ops and things along the way. And of course, everything you see in this casino is New York themed. So different rooms in different areas will be called different streets in different areas of New York City. So I thought that was a really fun touch. Each floor has your pop machine and your ice dispenser. And I'll take you into the gym. It was a pretty decent size. They had enough stuff to get the job done. So here's an idea of what it looks like. It also overlooks the pool, so you kind of have a nice view too. I have so much more to talk about with this casino, so I'm gonna have to make another video of it. But for this video, I will leave you with these awesome views just to give you an idea of how cool the rooms are and what you're going to wake up to staying at the New York in Las Vegas. And fun fact, the roller coaster actually goes into the casino, so it goes right above your head inside the food court. So if you hear people screaming, it's probably from the roller coaster. They're not getting attacked outside or something. All right, stay tuned for the pool, guys, and I will see you in this next video. Just click the link here. And as always, if you want to see other rooms and learn other Las Vegas tips, check out this playlist here, and I will see you in that video.